visuals. That's why I brought this VCD for you to watch. And know the type of products we use.
Alright.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I have to take my leave right now. I have an appointment to catch up with.
It's alright. It's a deal. And we'll do our best.
Oh, I'll be so glad, sir. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
See ya. What's the meaning of all this, Lizzie?
I don't know. Call it whatever you want to. Well, I'll advise you comply. Else, that recording will be shown to your wife when she returns from Canada.
My wife? Do you know my wife?
Sir, you were taking my time.
Okay. What do you want?
Good. Now we are talking business. 1.5 million naira only.
Will it be enough for you to return all the videos?
Oh, trust me, I'm an honest business person. I stick to first agreements. Just pay the money and then the rest will be history. Trust me, no hard feelings. None at all.
I will pay the ransom, but let me warn you. If you break this agreement, I will kill you cold-blooded.
1.5 billion naira.
Oh, sweetness, you're still here. Oh, baby, please come to bed. Come to bed. I need you.
I know, baby. I know. I'm sorry. I'm almost done. Okay, just bear with me. It's just this one last proposal.
Okay, look, sweetheart. Look, if you ask me, I think this can wait. Alright, you've been doing this for like 3 hours since you came back. You can do it tomorrow, baby.
I know, but just please bear with me. Look, this company proposal is really breathing down my neck. Once I'm able to round up with it, I'll give you all the time in the world. Please, I'm almost done. Trust me. Please. Okay?
Look, sweetheart, don't you think your work is actually taking too much of your attention and it's eating into our family time? Huh?
I know, and I'm sorry. I promise you, I will make it up to you once I'm done with this proposal. Let me just submit it, otherwise my supervisor will have my head. Please. Sweetie.
No, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
Remember, you've not eaten.
Oh, do you know I've totally
You always forget. That's the thing with you. You always forget. It's alright. It's okay. Just you round up fast and try to get something to eat.
I'll be with you in a bit.
Okay.
Okay?
I like that. I love you.
Mama the mama.
Hey, my daughter.
Oh.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for what you brought for us.
Mama, you're welcome, okay? I mean, those are little things, okay? Mama, you talked about something very important that you wanted to talk to me about. What is it?
Yes, my daughter. It's money I'm owing people.
Mama, eh? Mama, why are you owing? Eh? Why are you owing people money? Why?
My baby, things are hard.
So, how much is this money?
About 10,000.
Okay, I'll give you 10,000 naira.
Thank you very much, my daughter.
And I'll also give you 100,000 naira to support your petty trade business.
My daughter, thank you very much.
It's okay, it's okay. Lucy, you talked about your school fees, right?
Yes.
43,000 naira, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give it to you tomorrow morning when I'm about leaving the house.
Thank you, sister.
I hope you've not started misbehaving with boys.
No, sister. No.
Lucy. Yes. Okay.
God bless you, my daughter. God bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you 100-fold. So, Mama,
let me go and take you.
Oh, he's okay.
Yeah, thank you, sister.
Thank you. Ma, have you been now?
I'm fine.
I missed you,
my baby. You're welcome.
That deal was 1 in a million.
Wow.
And here's your share.
Really?
Don't ask me for how much the real deal was.
Let's wait and see. Wow. 250K. This is actually beyond my expectation of this deal. Thanks, I appreciate it.
Frank, hi. Hello. Sorry to interrupt, but please, do you mind coming to see what your girl is doing on my head? I really don't like what she's doing.
Okay, I'll be with you in a moment.
Please, look, I have to pick up my kid from school, so I'm in a hurry.
I'll be with you in a minute. Let me just get you now.
Thank you.
I'll be with you.
Hi, you're very pretty. Oh, thank you. Oh, where did you get these running rollers from? I've been looking for them all.
Oh, yeah, it's really scarce, you know. When my husband went to Paris, I told him to help me get them. But a friend of mine actually brought me some. If you want, I could help you get it.
Oh, really?
I could hook you up. She just came back, so she's got lots of them.
Oh, nice. Nice. So, the number?
Oh, do you have a phone or something?
I left the...
Okay, it's okay. Let me have yours. I'll just call you so you see.
Okay, cool. 0807.
Okay.
55224. The complete?
Right. So, Ini?
My name is Cindy.
Okay, Cindy.
Yes.
Okay, I'll call you. I'm calling actually, so you just say that when you get
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Yes. Hey.
Still working?
Just a minute. I'm almost there.
Okay.
I'm just trying to send this file to the head office. That's it.
Okay, done?
Done.
Alright. Yeah, let me keep that for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, and I'll take this one as well.
Those are my eyes. I'm so tired. I had a long day at the office. Did you know what?
Yeah, I had a hectic day as well.
I know I'm tired. I'm tired, seriously. Tomorrow, please, baby, please, honestly. I promise you tomorrow, let's just sleep on you, okay? I have a very long day. I can't even. Come to me. This week. You know why? This is actually better because it makes your nails strong. You know, when you put on too much artificial nails, most of the time it just makes it very weak.
I don't even try it.
Oh, you don't?
Not at all.
Wow, Why would she mean? I'm trying to grow my nails actually.
Are you sure?
No, I am actually because of work.
Nice. Pretty, you know.
Yeah, nice.
I don't even touch them.
Nice. Then you need this. This is really. Oh, sweetie.
Hi, baby.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Meet my friend. I told you about her. I met her at the salon. That's my husband, Charles.
Oh, wait. Cindy.
Oh my God, Charles.
Oh, God. I don't believe this.
You guys know each other? You both know each other? Excuse me. Hello.
Yeah, we attended the same university, same department.
What happened to you?
I should be asking you that. Where have you been?
Pop champagne.
Pop champagne! Pop champagne! I'm coming, honey. Your food is on the table.
All right.
Wow, are you serious? You know my husband.
Oh my God.
Oh.
It's my family now.
Okay, now you're going to tell me how was it in the house?
Hi.
I'm fine. I just thought to distract you a little from work.
Oh, nah, it's not a distraction at all, because I was actually meaning to call you. So where are you?
I'm at home.
Okay, and what are you up to?
Just checking out the weather and hanging out with my girl.
I actually want to ask you a favor. And please don't say no.
Go on.
Okay, can I take you out for dinner tonight?
Is that it?
Well, yeah, for now.
Where will be convenient?
Let's say, okay, Loto's Bar, 8 p.m. Cool?
Okay. See you then.
Okay. All right, see you then. Whoa.
Yes! 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 What is wrong with you? Oh God! The person that has made you happy or through the phone must be a genius. God!
Not just a genius. Now, old fire. Ooh. We just catch fire.
Oh, bad girl, you're just crazy. Oh God.
Lale. I'm fine. Okay, but I've got some stuff to do. I set up some stuff for the evening. I've got some stuff to do, later this evening, but I'll see what I can do. Okay.
What's the problem?
Can you imagine this, Charles? Wants me to go out for dinner with him tonight. When? Hey! I have fire to catch.
You did great. So what are you going to do about that? Because I'm here. She's like, flashy. I don't know.
Hey. Sweetie. Are you alright?
Sweetheart, what happened? Why are you back so late?
Yeah, we had this board meeting at the office. Yeah.
Board meeting?
Yeah.
Is that why your phone is switched off?
Exactly.
Wakey wakey, rise and shine. Hi, rise and shine, sleepyhead. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Here, coffee in bed. You're welcome. Before you finish having your bath, breakfast will be ready, okay?
All right. Thank you. How did it go? Are you deaf, Clara? I said, how did it go?
It went fine.
No gist.
You know what, Cindy? I am really tired. I need to sleep, okay? We'll do this later, alright?
What's up? Sissy Clara.
Is she back? So, how did it go?
I'm tired. I need to rest.
Well, it is possible she's tired. Nah, you're the drift now. I'll be right back.
Trust me. Once this month is over, I will legally you know, I just feel so secure. Okay. No problem. Oh, no. I'm not angry. Hello, Clara. How's everything?
Yeah, fine, thank you. How you doing?
Well, I bless God. Clara, I want to beg you for something.
Okay, what is it? Go on.
Well, you see, I just called Cindy, to come over and prepare dinner for my friend tonight, but she says she's busy. I mean, whatever that means. So I was wondering if you could please help me out.
Okay, I'll come, okay.
So much. That was so great. Thanks a lot.
Okay, you're welcome. Bye, have a nice day. Yeah, bye.
So good to see you. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Thank you so much. Welcome. Yeah. She had to come all the way from home to help me fix this.
You didn't have to give him the details.
She's a lifesaver, I tell you. I can't wait.
Okay, can I have a plate?
Alright. Oh well, it appears so. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Tony. The documents you gave to me, there were 5 in numbers, right?
Yes. Is this okay?
Yeah, I think
Yes,
that's
okay.
Thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes, thank you. Yes, and when they asked for my invoice, they told me to bring the remaining documents. And the truth is, they can't get me, I can't get paid.
So what will happen?
Are you okay with this?
Yeah.
One more? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Can I have yours?
Alright, thank you so much. This looks delicious.
Of course it does.
Yes, I was wondering, I need to get my money.
I think you should stop talking. I mean, eat your food. Enough of the business talk, please.
Okay.
Business later.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Bon appetit.
Wait. Where are you going?
I'm going inside.
What for? Why don't you come eat here?
Please, don't make me do this. I mean, my food is inside, okay?
No. I beg to disagree. Please sit down and eat with us.
Please, don't do this to me, okay?
Hey, you heard him, right? He's a guest, remember?
Okay. Get plates.
Yeah.
It's nice, right?
Hey, soldier boy.
Daddy!
Whoa. You getting bigger every day. What are you up to? Okay, you're doing your assignment. Good boy. I'll be traveling tomorrow on a business trip.
Where to?
Calabar.
Tomorrow?
All through the weekend.
Honey, how come I'm just hearing about this now? Did this just come up or did you decide just not to tell me?
No, it just skipped my mind.
Was I thinking that this weekend we could go somewhere together as a family, just have some quiet time, since we are not all going to work. I never knew you were going to travel all of a sudden.
Some other time. Yep. Yeah. You go back and finish up your assignment, okay? Good boy. Let me pick up something down the way.
Hey, Mr. Rap, are you trying to tell me there's nothing going on with you and that girl?
No. Why'd you?
Thumbs up, babes. So, you mean you have finally gotten the man in your arms?
What do I look to you like? A novice? Now, there is a check for 1 million naira. Parting gift.
Oh my god!
What's going on here?
Hi. Cindy.
What is Raphael?
Hey, Cindy.
You took her shopping.
Yeah, is anything wrong with that?
I asked my boyfriend what he's doing, and the reply is anything wrong with that?
Cindy, listen to
Oh, shut up. Raphael, leave my house.
God.
Cindy, why are you... Shut up. Out.
If you only let me explain what
Oh,
happened, I'll just explain it.
Shut up, Clara. You stabbed me in the back.
Oh God, this is...
See someone I'm trying to help.
Come in.
Hi. Listen, I'm very sorry, okay? I'm really sorry for everything that happened. Please forgive me, okay? I mean, I shouldn't have caused a problem between the both of you.
It's not your fault, okay? Alright?
No, it's my fault, okay? I shouldn't have gotten close to you in the first place. I just stayed by myself and all will be fine.
Hey, it's not your fault. Okay, I wanted you close to me because you proved yourself.
It's my fault. It's really my fault.
It's not.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I mean, she's so angry. You saw the way she was shouting.
I know, it's okay.
Cindy, why don't you relax and forget this whole thing?
Look at the time. It's 11 o'clock. Clara is not yet back. Which means she spent the night with him.
Cindy, if they have found love in each other, then let them be. Huh? Besides, this Ralph guy is no greater than all the other guys you have dropped. Why are you letting this one eat you all up?
That's because I dump the men. They don't dump me. I dump them when I'm done with them. I don't ask anyone to dump them for me. And I want you to stay out of this. Stay out of it. I'll deal with it my way. You seem to forget that you cannot afford to bite the fingers that feed you. And since business no longer means anything to you, and Ralph has fooled you into believing that he loves you. Dang, babe.
I'm sorry, Clara. I tried talking her out of it, but she wouldn't heed my advice.
Clara, get out of my house.
It's okay. I knew something like this would happen. And I want to let you know that I'll be there for you at all times. Okay? And I know this might be coming as a bit of a shock, but I'm in love with you. Yes. And I am willing to marry you, if only you'll allow me. Please don't turn me down.
So you say you want to do the job of a security man?
Yes.
What's that your name again?
Yul Edochie.
What's your educational qualification?
Evening school.
Evening school?
Yes.
Why are you coughing?
Okay, the cigar, that's the stove, something is like stove.
That's okay.
Yes.
Have you done this job before?
I have very many experiences. In fact, the one that I'm going to work with you is another experience. I have experiences, in fact, all the witches, wizards, everything, they are afraid of me.
My friend, you talk
I
too
know.
much. Hold it.
If you want me to do 10 press-ups in this place to just give you test run, I go, you do 10 press-ups now.
Can you hold it there? Listen, my friends are not around. So you will have to come back tomorrow. So she'll see you too, and then you know if you can get the job.
No, you people are already fine. Like you are very beautiful. No, so to find, I don't.
All right, thank you. So tomorrow then, okay?
As I should come for the walk.
Come so my friends can see you. Are you daft?
No, I'm security.
Pretty ladies, super woman. Pretty ladies.
Yeah, it was a court marriage. Look, Dixon, do I have to break down what the problem is before you do this for me? Huh? Fine. Then get the process started immediately. Alright, if you want me to spell it out for you, I will. It's a divorce. Alright? A divorce. And I want it done quickly, like as fast as possible. Look, Dixon. Dixon, let me call you back.
Charles, you mean you really want to go through with this? Are you really willing to throw this family away and everything that we worked so hard to build? You want to throw all that away? Charles, what did I do wrong? What did I do? Charles, what did I do to you? What did I ever do wrong? Where did I go wrong? Charles, if it's because of what has been happening for the past weeks, I'm sorry. It's just the pressure I've been having from the office. Look, I can quit if you want me to, but Charles, please. You know, I have no one else. Please don't leave me. I beg you, Charles. Charles,
No, Nancy. Please just stop.
Charles.
Look. My mind is made up on this.
Charles, don't say that. Don't say that.
My mind is made up.
So then where do you want me to go to? I have no one else. Charles, don't do this! Please!
This one I can find.
You don't want to wear the long bag.
So, it is you.
What are you on about?
You are the one trying to destroy my family. Cindy, I beg you in the name of whatever thing it is that you hold dear. If you know what you've done to my husband, please, kindly undo it.
I want to beg you to not turn this salon into a boxing ring. And if you have problems with your husband, why don't you go home and face him? Deal with it. I am not the cause of your problems.
No, listen to me, darling.
Please, take it easy, please.
I am married. I am legally married to my husband and I love him. But if you decide to bring us to disarray, Cindy, I will leave you alone and allow posterity to judge you. Have a good life.
You go and deal with your husband and not because of your problems. I beg, leave me, I beg. When I meet any husband, come and push me. I beg you, do my hair. I don't want to use this one. Come on,
Yeah, I said you have no rights. You have no rights!
What are you talking about, Charles?
Look, I still maintain that you have no goddamn freaking
For
rights!
Christ's sake, you have no right to know what you're doing. What do you take me for, Charles? What? Huh? That you have the guts to go frolicking around town with a girl?
I still maintain that you have no goddamn
Don't
freaking
tell me
rights!
anything about rights, Charles! For going after a girl that I brought into this house! Charles, you have no right and it's just not fair! How could you do this to me?
Wait. Are you actually talking back at me?
Charles, you do not deserve any respect from me! I have respected you from the first day that I met you till date, and what did you do? You threw it right back at my face, Charles! What did I do to myself? This isn't fair! What did I do to you? How could you trick me like this? How could you do this?
Alright, let me make it simple for you. This marriage is over. Yes, I just said it. I am done.
You're joking. First of all, you have to tell... What's going on? Can I please, or may I please, have your attention for just 1 minute?
I didn't really get it at first, but by the time I got used to it, it was so smooth. Yeah. Okay, guess what? No, you guess.
No, I can't guess.
No, you guess.
Oh, stop it, Charlie.
Alright, fine, let me tell you. This weekend, me and you, we are going.
Oh my god. I love that. Oh my god. I can't wait to spend time with you.
I know, me too. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Yeah. Could you just bring that forward a bit? No. A bit more.
Hey.
Yeah, the one is good.
Hey. Pretty ladies. Super woman. Pretty ladies.
I'd like to have breakfast in bed.
What?
Breakfast in bed.
Hey, what?
It's only 1 month. It's just for 1 month. You promised, remember? It's not going to kill you.
Okay. Let's go.
I can't walk.
Oh, Christ. What a day.
can't knock myself. Why they think negative? Eh? Which kind of negative thinking be that? How this fine auntie won't give you work, you can't get AIDS? No. I can't knock myself again. Why go get AIDS?
But I am well.
To God be the glory. Hallelujah. You know, for you to be well. Because you know, say as you well now, I go get chop money and this my work not go be for nothing.
It's okay, please.
Hi, pretty.
Good morning, Lanry. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning. Well, I came in to check up on you.
Oh, that's awfully sweet of you.
Thank you.
Udo, I believe you have been speaking with Clara?
Yes. Yes.
And so I assume you have accepted.
Question. It asked me, I regress. Why do I accept that kind of thing? See, work right on the program since. And now no can they accept. I regress, even in the village, the program is a make I not accept that kind of work. I bind the power of village in my life.
Just go get your things and start work.
No be anti something, yo. I go start this work, real work. And I thank God you are fine. You see this your open cheek? No.
Go! Come inside.
Yes.
Yes, he is.
Go.